You know, the truth is, anyone can learn how to set up a guitar. It's not about having years of experience. It's about following a simple process that works for you. Over the past 16 years, I've had the privilege of working with thousands of musicians, music stores, and distributors, gaining deep insight into what makes an exceptional setup. I've learned that a great setup starts with truly understanding your instrument and adapting it to your unique playing style. Instrument setup is about following a simple, repeatable process that gives consistent results. It's about knowing how the neck relief, action, and intonation works together to create the perfect balance between playability and tone. If instrument setup is a skill that you want to master, join me. My name is Pascal Scott, and this is the Ultimate Luthier Setup Training.